Have you ever felt stuck in a rut, as if life is a constant uphill battle? Perhaps you're in a place where everything seems stagnant, frustrating, and overwhelmingly difficult. It's as if you're wading through a thick, sticky quagmire with no end in sight. But what if there was a way to UnFu*K this situation? A 7-step guide that could help you navigate through life's quagmires. If you've ever felt this way, stay tuned for the 7 transformative steps that could help you get out of the rut. Firstly, acknowledge your struggles. It's the key to beginning any transformative journey. Life is a beautiful, chaotic mess, filled with highs and lows. But let's be honest, we all face challenges, stumble, and even fall. It's a part of being human. However, the first step towards making any change is to accept these struggles. This is where your journey starts. By acknowledging you're not admitting defeat, but rather you're recognizing the areas in your life that need attention and improvement. Denial, on the other hand, only leads to more complications. It's like trying to navigate a ship in a storm while pretending the weather is calm. You'll only end up shipwrecked. So, take a moment, look at your life and acknowledge the struggles. It might be tough, it might be uncomfortable, but it's necessary. And it's only when you accept these challenges that you can start to move forward. Remember, acceptance is the first step to change. Secondly, identify your goals. It's like pointing your ship in the right direction before setting sail. Without a destination, you're just drifting aimlessly on the vast ocean of life. Your goals could be as vast as the sea or as small as a droplet, but their presence is crucial. They serve as your North Star, guiding you through the darkest nights and stormiest seas. Think about it. What do you want to achieve? Where do you see yourself in 5, 10, or 20 years? Your goals could be personal, professional, or even spiritual. They could be about relationships, career, health, or personal growth. What matters is that they resonate with you, with who you are and who you want to become. Remember, your goals aren't just about the destination, but the journey as well. They give your actions meaning. They give your life purpose. They're not just dreams, they're a blueprint for your future. Your goals are your roadmap to a fulfilled life. Step 3, take action. Picture a world where brilliant ideas are a dime a dozen, where every person has a treasure chest of dreams and visions. However, without one crucial step, these dreams remain as they are, merely dreams. That step is action. Transitioning from the stage of planning to the stage of acting is what separates the dreamers from the achievers. It's the difference between saying, "I wish" and "I will." Just as a car can't move forward without fuel, a goal can't be achieved without action. It's the catalyst that propels your dreams into reality. It's the tool that carves your path towards success. It's the step that takes your ideas from the realm of imagination into the world of reality. So remember, don't just dream, act. Don't just plan, execute. Action is the bridge between your dreams and reality. Fourthly, cultivate positivity. Imagine your mind as a garden. The thoughts you plant and nurture determine the kind of harvest you reap. Plant seeds of positivity and you'll grow a lush landscape of optimism. But how exactly does positivity help us? Well, a positive mindset works like a shield, defending us from life's challenges. It enables us to see beyond immediate hurdles to the brighter side of situations. It fosters resilience, empowering us to bounce back from adversities with greater ease. Positivity also fuels our determination, pushing us to strive harder to reach our goals. It's like a beacon of light in the darkness, guiding us through tough times and leading us towards success. Remember, positivity isn't about ignoring life's problems. It's about overcoming them with a hopeful perspective. So, nurture your mind with positive thoughts, for they are the architects of your reality. A positive mind creates a positive life. Step 5. Embrace failure. We've all heard the phrase, "Failure is not an option." But what if I told you that it should be? You see, failure is not the grim reaper of dreams that we've made it out to be. It's an essential part of personal growth. A teacher in disguise, offering lessons more valuable than any success could. Picture failure as a stepping stone, not a stumbling block. Each time you fail, you're one step closer to success. It's a process of elimination, weeding out the strategies that don't work to pave the way for those that will. Think of Thomas Edison. His journey to inventing the light bulb was paved with failures, 1,000 of them to be exact. But he didn't see these as failures. He saw them as steps towards his goal. "I have not failed," he said. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Embrace the fact that you will encounter failure on your journey. It's inevitable, but that's not a reason to fear or avoid it. Instead, treat each failure as an opportunity to learn, grow, and adapt. When you fall, get up, dust yourself off, and carry the lessons learned forward. Remember, failure doesn't define you. Your reaction to it does. So don't let it discourage you. Let it motivate you. Let it drive you. Failure is not the end. It's just a detour to success. Step 6. Practice gratitude. Gratitude, a simple yet profound practice that can be a game changer. It's not just a feel-good concept, but a scientifically proven method of enhancing overall well-being. When we take a moment to acknowledge the good in our lives, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we have in abundance. It's like flipping a switch in our minds, changing our perspective from scarcity to plenty. Imagine a day filled with challenges and setbacks. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, isn't it? But what if, amidst all the chaos, we pause and reflect on the things we're grateful for? The warm sun on our face, the comforting aroma of our morning coffee, a kind word from a stranger. Suddenly, the problems seem less daunting. Our spirits are lifted. That's the power of gratitude. Gratitude is also the key to contentment. It helps us appreciate what we have right now instead of constantly yearning for more. It teaches us that happiness doesn't come from acquiring more, but from appreciating what we already have. Moreover, gratitude fosters positivity, strengthens relationships, and builds resilience. It's a tool we can use every day in every situation to improve our lives. So, how about starting your journey of gratitude today? Make it a habit to list 3 things you're grateful for each day. You'll be surprised at the difference it makes. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. It's not about having what you want, but wanting what you have. And that's a beautiful way to UnFu*K your life. Finally, step 7, seek help when needed. It's a simple phrase, but one that could be a game changer in unfurling your life. We often view seeking help as a sign of vulnerability, a sign of weakness. But let's flip that perspective. Seeking help is not an admission of defeat, but rather a declaration of strength. It's a sign of wisdom, a testament to your understanding that you, like every other human being, have limitations. We live in an interconnected world where no one is expected to go it alone all the time. There is strength in unity, in collaboration, in seeking the advice and guidance of others. It's okay not to have all the answers. It's okay to reach out to others, to tap into their expertise, their experiences, their wisdom. When you seek help, you're not just acknowledging your limitations, you're also taking a step towards overcoming them. You're opening up to the possibility of growth, of learning, of improvement. You're allowing yourself the opportunity to gain new perspectives, to see things from a different angle, to find solutions that you might not have considered on your own. So don't shy away from seeking help when you need it. Embrace it. It's a crucial part of the journey towards unfurling your life. It's an act of self-care, of self-respect, of self-love. Remember, seeking help is a strength, not a weakness. Now let's take a moment to summarize these 7 steps. First, we have acknowledging your struggles, a crucial step where you come face to face with your challenges. This lays the foundation for everything else. Second, identify your goals. Know what you're aiming for, where you want to go. Thirdly, take action. It's not enough to just dream, you need to move. Step 4, cultivate positivity. Surround yourself with positivity, let it seep into your being. The 5th step is to embrace failure. Remember, it's not the end, but a stepping stone to success. Step 6, practice gratitude. It's a powerful tool that can shift your perspective and open you up to a world of possibilities. The final step is seeking help when needed. Never hesitate to ask for help. It's a sign of strength, not weakness. Follow these steps, UnFu*K your life, and embark on the journey to a happier, more fulfilled you.